Eye on Community tonight. Today, a local school went the extra mile to protect students and teachers from coronavirus. Our Madeline Montgomery shows us how a local air conditioning company is helping them stay safe.
Coronavirus has definitely changed the way a school day works.
There's been a lot more safety protocols. Like at the front, there's been we have to take our temperatures, everyone has to take their temperatures and everyone has to wear masks all time.
And parents have been feeling the stress of keeping their families safe during a pandemic.
It's definitely a challenging time. I feel like all parents right now are juggling a lot.
That's why Cindy Metzler was relieved about the extra step Turtle River Montessori School is taking to keep her son safe.
I was really excited because I'm one of those moms that research things, and I found out that it actually does kill airborne viruses.
Local company Dignified Air Solutions is doing the installation of fresh air UV for free.
This is the world that I live into as well, so I have to keep in mind that if I'm going around to somebody's home or I'm going to be around somebody's kid, I want to make sure that they have the best protection. And we start in the schools and businesses because that's where a lot of gatherings will happen. Ta-da!
The UV technology can kill the coronavirus in 2 seconds. It also kills bacteria, mold, and even odors. From Jupiter, Madeline Montgomery, CBS 12 News.